Welcome to the Veggie Menu. How are you guys? How are you? I missed you. Today we're going to have some yogurt. Look at this one. We got some Kite Hill. Different brands and different flavors, right? Kite Hill Vanilla. Forager Blueberry. Ziggy's Peach. 365. 365 is Whole Foods. Mango. Harmless Harvest. What is it? Strawberry, I think. Strawberry. And this one is interesting. Look at this. Cocoa June Lemon Elderflower. Can't wait to try that one. Let's try this. Let's try them. What should I start with first? The blueberry. I want the blueberry. I'm not really a yogurt, like, I eat a lot of yogurt, so I don't know what's good and what's bad. It's certainly not bad. This is the blueberry. Tissue. Let's try the flower. The elder. What is this? Lemon elderflower. Lemon elderflower. Please don't go all over the place. I gotta watch how I open this. It doesn't splash me. It's all white. Can you see it? You could see some. Maybe better. No, still not. What's the date on this? I don't know, it doesn't taste something. I want the mango. Nice flavor. Very nice flavor. This is the 365 Whole Foods. Very nice. You know what I do with yogurt? I freeze it a little to make it really like a little frozen. I think it is better that way. What are we gonna eat? We'll eat the strawberry. Don't fall. Strawberry. I think I could taste a little strawberry in it. Not bad. Very good. Let's try the peach. Peach. It's thick. I taste it? Do I taste peach? You can taste the peach in it. Good. Don't fool on me. Vanilla. It's like a duel. Some are watery and some is very thick. I wonder why. This is watery. Vanilla, Kite Hill. Vanilla. I like vanilla. Tastes alright. Could be stronger. Alright. Let's see what the winners are. The winners are... Don't fool on me. Don't fool. Steal it. The winners are... It fell. Oh well, I'll clean it later. 365 mango, number 1. I'm trying to think number 2. It's a tie. The harmless harvest strawberry and the peach. Ziggy's peach. 365 mango, number 1. Harmless harvest strawberry and Ziggy's peach. The mango. That's pretty good. And that's it. Thank you for watching.